Did you know that nearly half of the UK, around 49%, struggle with hay fever symptoms each year, making spring and summer feel like less of a joy and more like a battle? While everyone's looking for relief, many are turning to natural, plant-based options to support their overall well-being during the high pollen months. Naturaflex turmeric from the Naked Pharmacy is a great choice, made with naturally active turmeric and nothing synthetic. For those looking to take a more mindful, holistic approach to their seasonal routine, it's a simple way to feel more in control when pollen levels spike.